In this video, we'll explore some of the most common types of meditation practiced in Western societies. Did you know that there are many different types of meditation, each with its unique approach and benefits? What's particularly fascinating about all forms of meditation is that the goal isn't to achieve anything. It's simply to observe. In fact, trying to stop trying is perhaps the most fascinating and challenging aspect of meditation. And yet, it's also what unites all the different types of meditation practices. Meditation is hard to define exactly, but most important is the role of attention. And the practice of meditation as attempts to get beyond the reflexive, discursive thinking or logic mind to achieve a deeper, more devout or more relaxed state is central in all the different schools of thoughts. The final achievement of a trained meditator is to become enlightened. Before we conclude this video, we'll discuss this and the differences between praying and meditation, so be sure to stick around for that. So now let's look at some different types of meditation. Mindfulness meditation involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. The goal is to develop a heightened awareness of the breath, bodily sensations, and thoughts, and to contemplate them without judgment. The mindfulness practice described in the ancient Anapanasati Sutra is to go into the forest, sit beneath a tree, and simply watch the breath. Transcendental meditation involves the use of a mantra or a repeated sound to help you focus and transcend your thoughts. The goal is to achieve a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Maharishi Mahesh Yogi began teaching the technique in India in the mid-1950s. Advocates of transcendental meditation claim that the technique promotes a state of relaxed awareness, stress relief, and access to higher states of consciousness. Some attribute the popularity of transcendental meditation to the work of film director David Lynch, whose foundation teaches the meditation techniques. Loving kindness meditation involves cultivating feelings of love, kindness, and compassion towards yourself and others. The goal is to develop a sense of connection and empathy with others, and to reduce negative emotions such as anger, anxiety, and depression. It is the first of the four sublime states of the Theravada school of Buddhism. The cultivation of benevolence is a popular form of Buddhist meditation. Body scan meditation involves paying attention to different parts of your body and the physical sensations that arise in each area. The goal is to develop a greater sense of awareness of your body and to release tension and stress. The body scan is a practice often used as part of a longer mindfulness-based stress reduction, or MBSR program. The term originated in the 1970s from John Kabat-Zinn. He had the idea to secularize specific meditation practices and introduce them as therapies for pain reduction. Chakra meditation involves focusing on the different energy centers, or chakras, located throughout your body. The goal is to balance and align these centers, which is believed to promote physical and emotional well-being. The concept of the chakra arose in the early traditions of Hinduism. Yoga meditation involves the use of specific yoga postures or asanas to calm the mind and release tension in the body. The goal is to improve overall health and well-being through a combination of physical and mental practices. Original yoga is a group of physical, mental, and spiritual practices or disciplines which originated in ancient India and aim to control and still the mind, recognizing a detached witness consciousness untouched by the mind and mundane suffering. Lastly, there is prayer. It differs from meditation because this practice revolves around communication, typically with a higher power or deity, through spoken or silent words. Prayer can be done individually or as part of a group and is often associated with specific religious traditions. It's used to express gratitude, ask for guidance, or make requests. Meditation, on the other hand, aims to cultivate a sense of mindfulness and gain insight into the workings of consciousness, and ultimately achieve enlightenment. When practiced in a religious context, both praying and meditation are part of the path to gain access to a place for an immortal soul. These are some of the most common types of meditation, each with its unique approach and benefits. In practice, they often borrow from each other, and many practitioners find that combining different types of meditation can be especially effective. If you're curious about the actual effects that meditation can have on your daily life, be sure to check out our related video on that topic.